Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Dream Cars. The 2026 Honda Elevate is expected to build on Honda's success in the compact SUV segment, offering bold styling, advanced technology and improved efficiency as a global model targeting emerging markets. The new Elevate will likely feature refreshed exterior styling, hybrid and possibly electric powertrains, and an upgraded interior to compete with rivals like the Hyundai Creta, Toyota Urban Cruiser Hire and Kia Seltos. Refreshed and rugged exterior design. Honda's 2026 Elevate will maintain its bold SUV stance but with refined details that enhance its modern and rugged appeal. Key design updates may include sharper LED headlights with integrated DRLs, creating a more premium look, a larger grille with a more pronounced chrome bar reinforcing Honda's identity, sportier bumpers with improved aerodynamics enhancing fuel efficiency, new alloy wheel designs, 16 to 18-inch options improving road presence, LED tail lights with a connected light bar adding a futuristic touch, increased ground clearance 220mm ensuring better off-road capability. These improvements will make the Elevate more attractive for urban and adventure-seeking buyers. Efficient powertrain options with hybrid and EV possibilities. Honda is expected to enhance the Elevate's performance and efficiency by introducing electrified options alongside its traditional petrol engine. Possible powertrain choices: 1.5 LiveTech petrol engine, 121 horsepower, 145 Nm, 6-speed manual or CVT, balancing power and efficiency; 1.5 L HEV hybrid system delivering improved fuel economy, 23 to 25 kml while lowering emissions; battery electric version speculative with a 40 to 50 kWh battery providing a range of around 350 to 400 km; front-wheel drive FWD standard with Honda's traction management system optimizing grip in various conditions. With Honda's push for electrification, the hybrid and EV variants could be a major selling point, offering better fuel savings and sustainability. Premium and tech-loaded interior. The 2026 Elevate will feature a modernized and more premium cabin with an emphasis on comfort, technology and practicality. Interior highlights include 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, fully digital instrument cluster displaying navigation, fuel efficiency and real-time driving data, wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports enhancing convenience; premium upholstery options with soft touch materials across the dashboard; ventilated front seats improving comfort in hot climates; a larger panoramic sunroof; top trims creating a more spacious and airy feel. The Elevate's cabin will be designed for long-distance comfort, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV market. Advanced safety and driver assistance features. Honda will equip the 2026 Elevate with an updated Honda Sensing Safety Suite, including adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go lane keeping assist and lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking AEB with pedestrian detection, 360-degree camera system aiding parking and maneuverability. These features ensure the Elevate remains one of the safest compact SUVs in its class. Expected price and release date: the 2026 Honda Elevate is expected to start at $15,000 for the base petrol model, while the hybrid variant may cost around $20,000 to $22,000. If Honda introduces an EV version, it could be priced at $30,000 or more. Honda is likely to reveal the updated Elevate in late 2025, with global sales starting in early 2026, targeting key markets such as India, Southeast Asia and Latin America. While this remains a speculative concept, the next-gen Honda Elevate could continue to be a stylish tech-packed and efficient compact SUV, making it an ideal choice for both urban and adventure-ready buyers. Honda has officially revealed the 2026 Honda Elevate, a bold and modern SUV designed to meet the demands of today's drivers. This new model combines striking aesthetics with advanced technology and excellent performance. With a sleek exterior, spacious interior, and cutting-edge features, the Elevate offers a comfortable ride for both city driving and long road trips. Powered by an efficient engine, it promises great fuel economy and exceptional driving dynamics. With a strong emphasis on safety, advanced driver assist technologies come as standard, making it a family-friendly and highly practical choice. The 2026 Honda Elevate is poised to set new standards in the SUV market. If you're excited about the 2026 Honda Elevate, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more updates on this incredible new release. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and exclusive content about the latest cars. Thank you for watching.